Guys, today I do this video because I want to make a tutorial for you about how to download and install Flutter Framework, which is a Google framework, and it's very in trend now, very popular and common. So now we search about Flutter Framework. Yeah, and right away it's come out Flutter Framework install. So for Flutter Framework we can work on not only iOS but also in Windows, and I recommend you guys to use Mac OS. You program this language in this framework because it supports a lot for iOS, for Mac OS. And also you can work on Android app and iOS application. So we click as Mac OS, and you guys must have at least 700 megabyte, and that the command line that you will be able to use in the environment. So just click here to download it, and I save on download. Actually I have already, and you can see you can use this tutorial to to work on it, to unzip the file zip, and you save on the path, say where you want to save the folder. And if you want, you can work on terminal, but actually very complicated, so I just recommend you follow me through the very seamless way. And today I'm gonna show you. Okay, so after I download it, we look at the file in the download. We have Flutter folder, right? And we see all of the items inside. We copy the folder, and then we save on user. Click search and type user. What happened? Click search, type user. Right here we have folder user. So I click on my name and I save Flutter here, but I have already because I did. Okay, and after that I run Android Studio. That the way very seamless. So we don't work on terminal on very complicated code, and maybe when you just wrong something and make by mistake and doesn't work. So click on the top of the left hand, click preferences. Let's see. By the way, before I do this step, I didn't have start a new Flutter project because I did already, so I have it. Okay, do it. Preferences, and then you're looking for plugins. If you didn't do Flutter Framework, it's gonna appear right here, right in the right hand, and then click install. Okay, and wait a little bit. Click install and wait. Okay, after that you click Start New Flutter Project. Flutter Application. Click Next. Then we enter the name. Now then enter Flutter Demo. In the Flutter SDK path. If you don't have this folder before, that means you didn't download it. You didn't download that folder. You have to click install and then automatic install and save on the path. Okay, save in the user path. But now we have already, so just click in the three dot and then we have let's see how to do it. Click user where you can click right here. Okay, so click my name, user, and then I have Flutter here, right? Then click open. Usually you have to wait a little bit in the corner right here, because they're gonna set up this take a little bit long, about few 5 or 10 minutes, and then click next. Click next. I use both, so I check include Kotlin, that also the language that's supported by Google, and Swift is supported by iOS. Click finish. Go to automatic creating a Flutter projects. So just wait a little bit. Okay, now we have very beautiful framework and it's easy to work, right? And we also have a main docked and docked also the language. Yes. So we try to run the file, but before you run the file, you need to add the devices, which is iOS or Android. I can run on both, so I will try on both. I like to do it. Okay. But my memory, the memory of my MacBook just 8, so usually my MacBook get stuck. Okay, now the require on that my own application, so I don't care about it. Okay, so now we're gonna run. Let's see how it works. Okay, and when you see initializing radar, that working, but in the main docked, we had to fix something. You find the text. You have pushed a button and this many times. You try to fix. You click. Okay. That why the code run, you can fix it. Why the code running, you can fix things. That's amazing. You don't need to stop after you click, after you fix, you change, you replace the word pushed, the word clicked. Going to save. save and turn on. Should not work. Save and let's see. Return and then run again. I think this works. Things work. I open a lot of tabs that way. My computer make noise so big, so loud. So let's see, this work, right? Then click, yeah. Okay, we done now. So just be careful when the application opens, so it's automatically module check and module name dot and then just find the text and between the string you have pushed the button this many times, so just push, you click and click command S to save everything. That's the same way you do it Windows, and then run again. So everything that we have, very beautiful application. It's work. Okay, so everything done now, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you see you should have a lot of videos that I can do for you. So thank you, and okay, thank you, bye guys.